Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to bass boost your video on CapCut, basically how to bass boost songs. So first of all, you want to mute your clip audio. So you can either find the option right there at the left, as you can see, you can mute it, or you can go ahead and try to find volume right here and basically go to 0. That's one option. Now, of course, you want to add a song. So you're going to go ahead and unselect everything and you're going to click audio. And now you want to go to sounds and add a sound from here. Now you want to cut this song and you want to choose an option where you want your bass boost to start. So I'm just going to choose this area. So I'm gonna choose that and I'm gonna split it right here. Now I'm just gonna delete the first option. Now I will hold it and drag it down until the start of my video, and I will again cut the audio where my video ends, and I will once again delete the other part. So this is where I want to bass boost. Now I want to choose this audio. Now, when you choose an option, when you choose the audio, as you can see, there's voice effects, which we need to actually use. And as you can see, it writes down that you cannot enhance the voice and music from CapCut or TikTok. So this is not available for the songs from TikTok. Now, when you upload your own song from your device, for example, now you can actually add voice effects. So for the bass boost, I would choose either the deep one or maybe the retro option and megaphone. This is one. You can actually try a lot of those. And now when you want to go ahead and select the audio and copy it. So you go ahead and duplicate it and you drag it down to the bottom right here. You can actually do this a few times and you will see that the effect, how the effect sounds. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.